In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the steamui.dll error message on your Windows computer. So the first thing you need to do to fix this is just head over to your computer, and then we need to double click on the C drive, scroll down and double click on Program Files x86, scroll down again until you see the Steam folder and double click this. Then we're just going to scroll down and locate the steamui.dll file. So just keep scrolling down until you see this file here, and then what you're going to do is just right click on it and select the trash icon to delete it. Now, if you get this message saying that it can't be deleted because it's already open, then you'll just need to first close down the Steam application, and you can do that by heading over to your Start menu, searching for Task Manager, and then in the search box of Task Manager, just type in Steam, and then we can right click on the Steam application and press End Task. Now, once you've completely shut down Steam, we can then try re-deleting this file again, just by right clicking and pressing the trash icon, and you can see now that the file deletes successfully. So once you've done that, what we're going to do is scroll up to the steam.exe file, right click on it, and then select Run as Administrator, and then you can check to see if that's solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, another thing you can try doing is right clicking on the steam.exe file, click on Properties, select Compatibility, select Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and then select Windows 8. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as Administrator are both ticked, and then press Apply and OK, and then you can try double clicking on this Steam file to see if it works. Now, if that's not working, the last solution is to head over to your Start menu, search for Run, and then click on the Run icon. In this search box, you need to type in %, local app data %, and hit enter. Then from here, we're just going to scroll down until you find the Steam folder, which is this one here, and then we're going to right click on it and select the trash icon to delete it, select Continue, and then once you've done that, you can head over to your Start menu, try launching up the Steam application, and that should have now solved any issues you were having. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.